Hi, I'm Chris, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Backlight. So Backlight is a company that has several solutions that helps teams to produce media across the content creation lifecycle. So we like to say we go from script to storage to screen with solutions for script writing, media asset management, distribution, all cloud-based, all really flexible and scalable and usable. So I'll show you two of those products today. I'll jump in first to Iconik. So Iconik is our media asset management and collaboration solution. Media asset management usually comes with some connotations like a long time to set up, a long time to first click, expensive storage. We created Iconik to kind of go against the grain on all of that. Iconik is based in the cloud. We are not necessarily in the business of selling storage. The USP really is that users can connect any existing storage that they already have, whether that's on-premise or on the cloud. Iconik will bring all of that into the cloud and create proxies which are really easy to work with. Again, really flexible, really easy for teams to access and organize. I could move a proxy into any one of these collections. It's not going to duplicate the file, it's not going to create extra storage costs, it really is just referencing that original file wherever it lives. And that's really powerful for our users like NowThis and Amazon and people from media and entertainment to corporate customers, anyone creating video, they really want to have that control over the storage infrastructure, and that's what we're offering. Use what you have, organize it the way you want to. We're just selling the collaboration and the access and the organization on top of that on this window onto all storage. So there really is a lot that can be done with Iconik. You can very quickly search to drill down to assets. If I did a search up here now, I've just gone from about 1,500 assets to 38 assets just with a quick search. And then using filters, I could, and metadata, I could go even further down into that. I could look for, I only want JPEG files. So with the use of just the search bar and the filters, I've quickly drilled down to one single asset from thousands, and our customers are managing archives with millions of assets in them. So this is pretty powerful for people who need to find that, that free kick or that moment or that individual from their archive that happened years ago. They don't have to go digging through hard drives or cloud buckets or whatever it might be. It's all right here for them. If I go back to our main interface, the other important side, or the key side to Iconik, let's find a good, clear the filters. If I go into a project like this, then the other side to Iconik is the review and approval workflows. So here we can see we've got the media player. We can go in, we can, if I open the comments panel, you can add comments asynchronously, you can make annotations on your media. And what's really powerful is we've just introduced a new sharing experience. So these are all of the shares that have been made from this domain. And this is the new sharing experience. So now users can open up entire playlists. They can do those review workflows asynchronously if they want to, but also we've got this new concept of synchronized workflows as well. So if teams, we have somebody in Australia and somebody in Amsterdam and they want to review the content together, play back in sync and have more of a real-time interactive creative conversation about their media as well, then they can alongside these asynchronous workflows. And we do also offer a desktop player. The desktop player is a way of reviewing. If you don't want to review the proxies and you want to review those high-end EXR files or ProRes files, perhaps a colorist wants to come in and see things in that absolute high quality, full color accuracy detail, then they can use this, and then the producer or the editor might be on an iOS device or the browser, and everybody's in sync and having those conversations in the fidelity that they need. So yeah, that's Iconik at a really high level. I think the key thing to take away is that Iconik is It's not just media management, it's not just collaboration, it's everything in one place. It's that full context, that full workflow, and it's proving really powerful for our users who need that flexibility, the collaboration, the scalability, the organization, all in one place. We have several products at Backlight. There's Celtech for script writing, F-Track for production management. We have Cinesync for really high-end media review, which is actually in what powers the desktop player, and Zype for our online video platform. The only other one I'm going to show today is Wildmoka. So Wildmoka is really, you've created the content, or you are creating or putting out a live feed in real time, and you want to get that out to the world. Doing that across multiple social destinations. We have customers that have 200 YouTube channels or 50 TikTok channels. How are they going to get content to all of those endpoints as quickly as possible? That's what Wildmoka is all about. It's a live clipping tool, so during a live feed you can clip content. You can choose which framing you want to use for that content. But also, verticalization is it's really important. Lots of people are watching videos on mobiles. We also offer AI tools that help to very quickly verticalize content automatically. So people creating the stuff that they want to push out to their channels can do so really quickly. You can see the live translated subtitles will also become more TikTok friendly. And then this can be published out to any pre-configured destination. So it might be that they want to push it back into Iconik, or they have TikTok or Threads or X profiles. And to put this into context, we recently had Roland-Garros, the French Open tournament, using Wildmoka. They not only set up 24/7 pop-up channels to stream all 16 courts, every single match in real time constantly. They were also clipping moments, they were clipping replays, they were getting AI edits of all of the major moments, and they had a focused team of people doing all of this via a browser, getting content out, hammering it out there, and making sure that it was getting to the eyeballs and the people who they wanted to see it. And it was super successful. They had, Roland-Garros had 400 million social views and something like 5 million viewership from the 15 to 24 age range, which was really important to them. And with tools like this that allow you to not just put content into one place, but to take those moments and create multiple experiences from them. The Wildmoka is really, really powerful for that. And I should have mentioned that the 24/7 pop-up channels are using a part of Wildmoka called Live Studio and Channel Studio. So it's not just the clipping, it's the channel creation, but all in the browser, all by a handful of people. So we do a lot at Backlight. Across the production of videos, to the storage of videos, to the distribution. But we're all about bringing those workflows together, making them easy, making it cloud-based and easily accessible, and democratizing these once difficult workflows to as many people as possible. So if you want to learn more about our tools, please just head to backlight.co. You'll be able to get plenty of information there, and a free trial of Iconik if you want to give it a go yourself.